Good morning, Frank and Amber. We are back out here at your beautiful home to get an update and see where we are. As you know, that last update was working of electrical and plumbing. We're going to get this turned, and the first thing I noticed sticking out of the side of the house was the gas line, and you'll see the gauge. The gauge to it is right there on the end, and they're doing a pressure check on that system. So that's good to see. I see ventilation there sticking out of the side. We'll continue to make our way up. Looks like that is going to be the main water shut-off valve, most likely. We still have our outline for the concrete that is going to be eventually here coming in, and the front stoop area, and then they'll put the stairs in. Good morning, sir. Good morning. See, we're getting in the video. Hard-working guy there. So, oh, and look, we have garage doors in. That is awesome. That is awesome. Okay. Got our piping out of the top. Oh, good. Okay. We can see that is actually a radon system right there. Got our plumbing in. This is for your laundry. Toiletry and shower. That's going to be for the shower head. Yay! And for the kitchen, you'll have the sink and the drain. Oh, and there's your gas line for the stove. Very good. Hey, there you go. Got your bathtub going in, got the plumbing. And so, Frank, that is so you can see they'll remove this here, but at least you can kind of see what's going on behind there. This is PEX plumbing here. And then down, you'll see our plumbing here. Your furnace, high efficiency heating system. This is vented to the outside. Nice water heater here. Bedrooms being framed out. Lots of plumbing. Lots and lots of plumbing. Okay. It is looking good. Looking good. I think they're definitely going to hit their mark. The next thing that is probably going to be taking place this week especially, I think is going to be all the electrical. So, alrighty. Hope you guys that video, and you guys have a magnificent day. All right, bye-bye.